Students, let's have a fun with mathematics. Today, I tell you some tricks to find the product of two-digit numbers where the first digits are same and the digits at the units place have some 10. Students, let me tell you one thing. If you understand the basics of it, you can do this multiplication within 2 seconds without using any rough multiplication. Students, so let's start. But concentrate on the basic method that I am going to tell you. Okay, so I'll give you now. Let question is 62 इंटू 68। अब बेटा इसमें क्या करेंगे कि जो नंबर आपका टेंस प्लेस में है, वी हैव 6 इन द टेंस प्लेस, सो इन नंबर को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 6 एंड द सक्सीडिंग नंबर ऑफ 6 दैट इज 7, सो व्हाट वी हैव 42। सिमिलरली व्हेन यू टेक द डिजिट्स इन द टेंस प्लेस, दैट इज 2 into 8, 2 into 8 is 16. So student, the product of these two numbers must be 4, 2, 1, 6. है ना इजी मेथड? सो बेटा इसमें आपको सिंपल ट्रिक लगाना है. I'll show you one more example. Okay, let's. If you have 53 into 57. Now digits at tens place क्या है आपके? 5 and 5. So the number succeeding to 5 is 6. So 5 into 6 is 30. So we have 30. Then the numbers succeeding to the numbers in the ones place 3 and 7. So 3 into 7 is 21. So my dear students, the product of these two numbers must be 3, 0, 2, 1. अब बेटा ये तो मैंने आपको समझाया, बट आप सेम क्वेश्चंस आप बिना कैलकुलेशन के और भी कर सकते हो. कैसे? आई विल गिव यू वन मोर एग्जांपल. बट याद रखना बेटा, द नंबर्स जो ये प्रोडक्ट करके आ रहे हैं, इफ दिस नंबर इज वन डिजिट नंबर, then you have to write 0 before that. Like, I'll give you one more example. 81 into 89. So 8 into 8, 8 into 9, because the number succeeding 8 is 9, 72. Then number 1 and 9, 1 into 9 is 9, but I told you that you have to write two-digit number, so you have to put 0 before that. So my dear students, in this way your answer becomes 7209. Okay students, I hope you understand. Now students, I am going to give you 3 questions. You have to do those questions in 10 seconds, and then you match your answer. If your answers becomes correct, then put the thumb sign on your channel. Okay, so write down the questions. Your time starts now. 73 into 77, 52 into 58, 94 into 96. The time starts now. Hurry up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop writing. I'll show you the answers. 5, 6, 2, 1, 3, 0, 1, 6, 9, 0, 2, 4. Students, if your answers are right, then press the thumb sign. Understand? So I hope you understand this method of finding the products. Students, if you like this method, then subscribe this channel and share this with your friends. Now students, let's start with the second trick. In the previous trick, you find the multiplication of two numbers where the first digits are same and the second digits, that is the digits in the ones place, have some 10. Now here we find the multiplication of a two-digit number where the digits at the tens place have some 10 and the digits at ones place are same. Now let's start. 37 and 77. Here we have the two-digit numbers. Here tens place में क्या आपका बेटा 3 and 7. Their sum is what? 10 and the digits at ones place are same. So what to do? Now understand the trick. You have to multiply the digits at 10th place, that is 21, and add the digit which is same, that is 7. What do we have? 28. And you have to multiply the digits in the ones place. 7 into 7 is 49. So students, the product of 37 and 77 is equal to how much? 2849. So in this way you find the product of these two numbers. Students, I'll show you one more example. 85 into 25. Students, here the digits in the tens place कौन सी हैं? 8 and 2. So what we do? 8 into 2 is 16 plus the term which is on the ones place 5. 16 plus 5 is 21. So यहाँ पर आपका आएगा 21. Understand? Then the term which are common 5 into 5 which are in the ones place, you have to find the product of it, that is 25. So what to write here? 25. So it means the product of 85 and 25 is 2125. Understand students? Isn't it easy ना? इसमें बेटा देखो याद रखना, आप बिना कैलकुलेशन किए, बिना using your pen and pencil also you can multiply. I'll show you how. I'll give you one more. If it is 72 and 32, two numbers, so multiply करो दिमाग में. 7 is 21, 21 plus 2, 23. 2 into 2, 4. But I told you here you have to write two digit number. So 4, 0. यहाँ पर आपका आना चाहिए टू डिजिट नंबर, क्योंकि 2 into 2 4 था, तो वी राइट 04. सो इस तरह से 72 into 32 कितना आ गया आपका? 2304. Students, I hope you understand this. Now I'll give you 3 questions. You have to solve it within 10 seconds. So here are the questions. 1898. 18 into 98. Then 27 into 87. Then 73 into 33. Students, your time starts now. You have just 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop writing, students. Now I'll give you the answers. 90 8 8 are 64. Okay, so question आंसर क्या था बेटा इसका? 9 into 1, 9 plus 8. What is 9 plus 8? 17. So 7 into 7, 49. 8 2 are 16, 16 plus 7, 23. Here 3 into 3, 9, but I told you it is two-digit number. So 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. So students, these are the answers. If your answers are right, it means you understand this method. Okay students?